Welcome back to Target Global Classes. It's me, Rahis Parakal. In the last day, we are discussed a very important chapter, trigonometry. I hope you are watched that video. If you are not watched it, please go through that. It is uploaded in our WhatsApp channel. It will be very helpful for your board exam. So today we are going to discuss the very important first three chapters. So the chapters like real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations in two variables. You should watch up to the end of this video. I am very sure it will be very helpful for your exam. So we can start. Everyone, I hope everyone is ready for this class. So we can start. You can learn with me. Once again, myself, Rahis Parakal. So let's start. Real numbers. Here you can see real numbers. Many equations are there. Many equations in the sense. Main important thing in this chapter is LCM into HCF. That is equal to A into B. First number into second number, and you can expect the questions like root 2 is irrational, 6 plus 4 root 2 is irrational, like that. So we are starting the questions from this chapter. Here you can see the first question. Find the HCF of 84 and 144 by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. So I am starting 84, 144. Prime factorization method. Divide by 2. 84 divided by 2, that is 42. 144 divided by 2, that is 72. 42 divided by 2, that is 21. 72 divided by 2, that is 36. Again divide by 3. 21 divided by 3, that is 7. 36 divided by 3, that is 12. There is no common factor. There is no common factor. Highest common factor, it is called HCF. So 7, 12, it's done. So HCF, that is equal to outside term. Outside term. So HCF, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So the answer would be 4 into 3, that is 12. Clear? So we are moving to the next question. Question number 2. If HCF of 420, 189, that is equal to 21, then LCM of 420, 189 is. So this question on the basis of HCF and LCM, that is equal to A into B. Here is asking, LCM is asking. So LCM, that is equal to A into B divided by HCF. So here is given that A into B, these are the numbers, 420, 189. HCF is given, that is 21. Just substitute the same 420 into 189 divided by 21. So 420 is divisible by 21. So we can take this 2. So 20 into 189. 20 into 189, that is 2 into 189, that is 378. Take the 0. So the answer would be 3,780 would be the answer. Clear? Okay, we will get the answer would be 3,780 is the correct answer for this. So we are moving to the next question. Question number 3. Prove that 6 minus 4 root 5 is an irrational number, given that root 5 is irrational. So this question is usually repeated, many times repeated question it is. So it is most repeated question. We can include this question as most repeated question part. So First case, assume that 6 minus 4 root 5 is rational. I'm just assuming opposite of that. Assumption in the sense, just assumption, it is opposite of irrational. Assume that 6 minus 4 root 5 is rational. So any number is rational. We can write it as 6 minus 4 root 5 in the form of a by b, where a b not equal to 0. By rearranging, I can write it as 6 minus a by b, that is equal to 4 root 5. So again, cross multiplication, 6b minus a divided by b, that is equal to 4 root 5. So here, 6b minus a by b, take this 4 into this part. That is equal to root 5. So the last step is like this. If just understand, left side is rational, then right side also rational, because it's an equal symbol. So here you can see 6b minus a by b, a by 4b is rational, which implies root 5 also rational. But we know that the question itself given, we know that root 5 is irrational. So what is our conclusion? Therefore our assumption is wrong. You should write our assumption is wrong, question is correct. Assumption is wrong, question is correct in the sense 6 minus 4 root 5 is irrational. 6 minus 4 root 5, it's irrational. I hope the concept is crystal clear now. So go through this. It is very, very important question, many times repeated one. Even you can expect from this part, root 2 is irrational, root 5 is irrational, like this question also. So we are moving to the next question. Find the HCF and LCM of 404 and 96. Verify that HCF and LCM, that is equal to product of two given numbers. So here, two number is there, 406 and 96. I'm just going to find first HCF and LCM of this one. So it would be divide by 2. 404 divided by 2, that is 202. It would be 48. Again divide by 2, that is 101, it is 24. There is no common factor for this both, so we can stop. So HCF that is equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2, that is 4. LCM, that is equal to outside into inside. Outside is 4, inside is 101 into 24. So it would be 404 into 24. When you are multiplying 404 24, you will get the answer is like 9696. So I found the first step is done. HCF and LCM, I got it. Now what next? Now I have to verify this. I have to verify. HCF in the LCM, that is equal to product of two given number. So next step is verification. Next step is verify. I'm going to verify the same. So it is HCF and LCM. That is my LHS. So it would be HCF is 4 into 96 into 96. 4 into 96 into 96. When you multiply, you will get 38,784. Okay, 38,784. 38,784 would be, you will get. So the RHS of this one would be A into B. Very simple. A into B. So that is 404 into 96. 404 96. When you are multiplying, you get the same answer. 38,784. 38,784 So that means LHS equal to RHS. Hence, verified. So this question, if you are checking the previous question paper, you can see many times repeated this one. Verify, find HCF and LCM, and after verify the following number as the product of two given number. So we are moving to the next question. I hope it's crystal clear. If you have any doubt, don't worry. After this class, we will upload this video in the YouTube. You can check, you can pause and check each question. Okay, we are moving to the next question then. Question number, next one. Explain why 2 into 3 into 5 plus 5 and 5 into 7 into 11 plus 7 into 5 composite number. So here, first number 2 into 3 into 5 plus 5. So here 5 is common. 5 into 2 into 3 plus 1. So it is same as 5 into 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7. So here is factors like for this multiplication, 5 into 7, that is 35. The 35 factors is okay. Otherwise, 35 is a number. So factors would be 5 is a factor of this one. Factor in the sense divisible. 7 is a factor and 1 is factor of all numbers. So similarly, next number 5 into 7 into 11 plus 7 into 5. So here you can see, I can take 5 into 7 outside. So 11 plus 1. So 5 into 7 into 12. So here you can see 5, 7, 12, 5, 7, 12, 1 are the factors. So what is the meaning of composite number? More than 2 factors, it is called a composite number. If it is 2 factors, it is called a prime number. So therefore, here you can see both number have more than 2 factors. Therefore, it is a composite number. Okay. Therefore, it is composite number. The reason is here you can see the factors for the first one, 3 factors are there. Here you can see 4 factors are there. Therefore, the both are composite. So the next question, show that any number of the form 6 raised to n, it is actually 6 raised to n, where n belongs to capital N can never end with a digit 0. So when a number digit end with a 0, that means 10 is end with a 0, 100 is end with a 0, 50 is end with a 0, any number end with a 0, that means it's a multiple of 2 and 5. Multiple in the sense, if any number is end with a 0, the factors include 2 and 5. Factors include 2 and 5. So 6 raised to n. Suppose 6 raised to n, here you can see 6 raised to n. 6 raised to n consists of 2 into 3 raised to n. So here we are not seeing the factors, factor 5. 3 is there, but 5 is not there. Therefore, there is no factor 5. Therefore, it is never end with a 0. I hope it's crystal clear, this concept. It is very important question. Many times repeated this question. Why 6 raised to n? Why 6 raised to n never end with a 0? Just understand once again this concept. It's very important. We are moving to the next question. Okay, from this chapter. Okay, I just giving some extra VVIP questions. It is a practice question for you. You should practice this question. From this question, I just marking this question is most repeated in the sense many times repeated question. These both, please go through this question. So okay, that's it. That's the important questions from this chapter. So we are moving to the next chapter. Next important chapter is polynomial. It's a very important chapter. Polynomial, you can see many questions from this chapter. Okay, polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, it is called a quadratic equation. Alpha plus beta minus b by a, sum of the polynomial alpha and beta c by a, and minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 b square minus 4ac by 2a. It is the zeros of the polynomial of the quadratic equation. So this chapter based question we are going to discuss next. Okay, first here you can see the first question. For what values of k, product of zeros of the polynomial kx square minus 4x minus 7 is 2. Okay, product is asking product. What is product here actually? Alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a, that is called a product. Alpha into beta. So here you can see a is equal to k, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus 7. C by a, that means minus 7 by k, that is equal to 2. So k is equal to minus 7 by 2 would be the correct answer. So very important. So we are moving to the next formula, x square minus sum into x plus product. This format is called quadratic polynomial. So x square minus sum, here it is given, sum that is equal to minus 5. Product is given, that is equal to 6. Here minus 5 into x plus product is 6. So the answer would be then x square plus 5 zeros and coefficient. Zeros and coefficient. So here, for okay, sorry for the introduction. Okay, we are just continuing. I think the network issue is c is equal to 1. So here you can see, okay, first to find b square minus 4ac. So that is minus 4 square minus 4 into 1. So it would be 16 minus 16, that is 0. B square minus 4ac, that is equal to 0. That means what? That means the zeros are, or the roots are minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. So here we will get minus b by 2 in the sense minus 4 by 2 into 4. So we will get 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So it would be 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Zeros are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. It's audible. Daniel, it's audible. Anyone please comment. It's audible or not?
Yes, sir. Audible.
Audible. Okay, thank you for that. So we are continuing this. So here, verify the relationship between zeros and coefficient is asking. Zeros we found 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is a zeros. So what is the relationship? Relationship between, that means alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus b by a, alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a. That is our relation. Sum and product. That is the relation, sum and product. So it is alpha plus beta. Here you can see alpha plus beta is what? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 that is equal to minus b by a in the sense, minus minus 4 by 4. That is equal to half plus half, that is 1. Here also minus minus we can cancel 1. Here also 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta, that is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta in the sense 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. C by a in the sense, what is c by a? 1 by 4. So here you can see 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4. So what is the answer? 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 4. 1 is equal to 1. So both are equal. So hence verified. If it is asking this question, you will get 3 marks. 3 marks question. It is very important. Please mark. It's very important. You can expect like this question. So from this part, okay, like this question is usually asking. So we are moving to the next question. I hope it's crystal clear this concept what we are discussing up to this. Any doubt after this class? I repeat, I will send this PDF along with the, you will get the class link. Go through that. And also I will pass some extra question if you want. So we are moving to the next question. The graph of y that is equal to p of x is shown in the figure for some polynomial p of x. The number of the zeros of the p of x is very easy question. Number of the zero, that means x intercepting, it is called number of zero. X intercept x intersecting points, it is called number of zero. So there is no x intersecting, only y intersecting. So number of zero, that is equal to 0 itself. There is no number of 0 for this question. So I hope it's clear. So we are moving to the next one. If alpha, beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 3x plus 2, find quadratic polynomial whose zeros are alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. So this question, x square plus 3x plus 2 is our polynomial. I'm going to find the zeros of this polynomial x square plus 3x plus 2. We are studied how to find zeros of the polynomial within second. A plus b, that is equal to 3. A into b, that is equal to 2. So 2 number, adding time we are getting 3, multiplying time we are getting 2. So numbers are minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. These are the zeros of the polynomial. So on the base of this one, alpha plus 1. So it is alpha, it is beta. So new polynomial in the sense alpha plus 1. Alpha plus 1, that is equal to minus 2 plus 1. That is equal to minus 1. Beta plus 1, that is equal to minus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 0. So this is based on, this is my new alpha, and new beta. So here you can see x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, that is equal to 0. That is called a polynomial format. So x square minus alpha plus beta minus 1 minus 0. So it would be minus 1 itself. Minus 1 into x plus minus 1 into 0. It would be 0. So x square plus x. These are new polynomial. X square plus x is the new polynomial of this question. So we are moving to the next one. I hope it's clear. Any doubt you can ask. Okay, Daniel and those who are in here online, it's audible and it's clear. If any fast, please let me know. Daniel, it's clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, Akash. Okay, after this class, I will send this class link. You can go through each question at least one time. You should try today itself. It's very important. So we are moving to the next question. Find the quadratic polynomial sum and the product of whose zeros are minus 1 and minus 20 respectively. Also find its zeros of the polynomial. It's obtained. So here, x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta, that is equal to 0. So x square sum is minus 1 x plus product is minus 20. So it would be x square plus x minus 20. x square plus x minus 20 would be our polynomial. X square plus x minus 20 would be our polynomial. Then we have to find the zeros. X square plus x minus 20, that is equal to 0. So I remind you one more thing. This, apart from this step, we can use minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. You will get minus 2 and minus 1. If you are not familiar with this method, you can use that method also. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. You will get the same answer, minus 2 and minus 1. Here also you can use the same method. So here I just using the easy method, this one, a plus b, that is equal to 1, a into b, that is equal to minus 20. Two numbers, okay, multiplying time minus 20, adding time 1. So two numbers are minus 4 and, sorry, minus 4 and, okay, here, minus 4 and 5. Okay, x square plus minus become plus. Okay, minus 4 plus 5. Okay, minus 4 and 5. Minus 4 plus 5, that is 1, minus 4 into 5, that is 20. So zeros are, find zeros of the polynomial. Zeros are minus 4 and 5. Minus 4 and minus 4 and 5. So that is the correct answer. So in this chapter, most repeated question, just mark. Okay, you can take a screenshot of the same even. So this question, it's very important. Verify the relationship between many times repeated this question. Go through this question. It's very important. Practice today itself. And this one, okay, reciprocal, define k. Okay, this question also very important. Quadratic polynomial. Okay, most repeated this one also. And this one, please try this one. Find the k value. Usually asking, it's a different type question. It is. If you have any doubt regarding this type of question, you can ask. Test with me. Okay, that's it. So we are moving to the next part. Pair of linear equations in two variable. Pair of linear equations in two variable. So this is the next chapter of our textbook. So pair of linear equations in two variable, that based on question we are going to solve. The sum of two natural number is 70 and the difference is 10. Find the natural numbers. Two numbers, when you are adding time, you are getting 70. X plus y, that is equal to 70. X plus y, that is equal to 70. X plus y, that is equal to 70. And their reference, x minus y, that is equal to 10. Question number 1, question number 2. Just add these both. Add these both. It is 2x, that is equal to, when you are adding this, plus y minus y cancel out. So 70 plus 10, that is 80. X equal to 80 by 2, that is 40. When you are subtracting, equation 1 from 1 minus 2, not 1 from 2, 1 minus 2. Okay, from 1, when you are subtracting 2, okay, 1 minus 2, you will get x will be cancelled. Y minus become plus. 2y, that is equal to 70 minus 10, that is 60. Y is equal to 30 would be answer. So x equal to, find the natural number is asking question. So x equal to 40, y is equal to 30 would be our natural number. Clear? Next question, solve for x and y. X minus 3y, that is equal to 7. 3x minus 3y, that is equal to 5. So x minus 3y, from that, x equal to 7 plus 3y. Equation number 1. So substitute 1 in 3x minus 3y, that is equal to 5. Equation number 2. So it would be, we can write it as 3 into 7 plus 3y minus 3y, that is equal to 5. 3 7s are 21 plus 3 3s are 9y minus 3y, that is equal to 5. So it would be 21, 9 minus 3y, that is 6y, that is equal to 5. 6y, that is equal to 21. Move to that side, 5 minus 21. So it is 5 minus 21, that is minus 16. 6y, that is equal to minus 16. Y is equal to minus 16 by 6, that is equal to minus 8 by 3. Take the half of the same. Then we will get y is equal to 8 by 3. So what is x? Substitute y value into equation number 1. I'm going to substitute 1 implies. Why I got it? So 7 plus 3 into minus 8 by 3. Minus 8 by 3. So it would be 3 can be cancelled, which implies 7 plus minus 8. 7 plus minus 8. So the answer would be 7 plus minus 8 is what? Bigger minus smaller give bigger sign minus 1. Minus 1 would be x. X equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 8 by 3 is the correct answer for the same. So we are moving to the next question. Question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. What is the measure of the larger? What is the measure of the larger angle? So supplementary angle meaning is x plus y that is equal to 180. Two angles sum is called 180. Supplementary angle, that means total angle is 180. So first angle is x itself. Second angle, here it's mentioned that second angle it exceeds 18 compared to first angle. So I just taking second angle as y. It is exceeds x plus 18 is actually. So x plus y in the sense x plus 18. So that means 180 degree. X plus x, 2x, that is equal to 180 minus 80 degree. 180 minus 80 degree. So that means what? Wait. Fine. So here 180 minus 80, that is 170 minus 80, that is 162. X equal to 162 by 2, that is 81. So here question is asking what is the measure of the larger angle? First angle 81, second angle the larger angle. So x plus or 81 plus 18. So the angle would be 99. 99 is the correct answer. 99. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. In figure, ABCD is a rectangle. Find values of x and y. Very easy question. Here it is. X plus y, that is equal to 30. X minus y, that is equal to 14. Equation number 1, equation number 2. When adding this both, 2x equal to 44. X equal to 44 by 2, that is 22. And similarly, equation 1 minus 2. I first just add these both. Next one is 1 minus 2. What happened? 1 minus 2. What happened? What happened? So here 2y, that is equal to 13 minus 14, that is equal to 16. So y is equal to 8. X equal to 22 and y is equal to 8. So these are the correct answer for the same. Next question. Find the values of k for which the following pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solution. 2x plus 3y, that is equal to 7. K plus 1x plus 2k minus 1y, that is equal to 4k plus 1. Infinitely many solution meaning is, just recall yourself, what is the meaning of infinitely many solution? What is the meaning of that? A1 by A2, that is equal to B1 by B2, that is equal to C1 by C2. It is called infinitely many solution. It is called infinitely many solution. So here I just considering for equation first and second. First and second I just considering. Here A1, here you can see A1 is 2, A2 is K plus 1. That is equal to B1 is 3 and B2 is 2K minus 1. Just cross multiply the same. Just cross multiply it. Now it's all. 2 into 2k minus 1, that is equal to 3 into k plus 1. 2 into 2k minus 1, that is equal to 3 into k plus 1. So 4k minus 2, that is equal to 3k plus 3. 4k minus 3k, that is equal to 3 plus 2. So k is equal to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 meaning is what? 3 plus 2, that means 5. K is equal to 5 would be the correct answer. K is equal to 5 would be the correct answer for the same. So from this part you can expect find the value of k, and consistent or inconsistent. So I would like to add that concept, consistent or inconsistent. Just recall A1 by A2, that is not equal to B1 by B2. A1 by A2, that is equal to B1 by B2, that is not equal to C1 by C2, A1 by A2, that is equal to B1 by B2, that is equal to C1 by C2. So from this, it is called consistent. So it is inconsistent. You can expect one question like this. The last one is dependent consistent. In your text, we can see one box is there, tabular column is there, go through that. It will be very helpful. Dependent consistent. So these three are very important. So we are moving. So from this part, I would like to add some extra previous questions. Solve graphically. This is a very most repeated question. It is most repeated question. It is, and one more here. You can see this one. Solve the following linear case. Solve based on these three. Okay, solve, especially solve elimination method. Elimination solve. Just saying solve, you can do elimination or substitution. Any method doesn't matter. Okay, solve graphically nowadays not asking. So these both method, elimination method and substitution method, is very important. And along with it, just go through graphically also. Graphically also mentioned in your textbook. So practice this question. Is very helpful for you. So we are going to wind up in this class. I hope this class is very helpful for you. Go through many same pattern question. If you want more question, I will pass in your group. So that's it for this class. I wishing all of you guys all the very best and best of luck for your exam. So we will continue this class next section, part 3, and please join with us. So all the best once again. Thank you. Have a nice day.